Okay, let's try something different.
Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today we'll be talking about G2Crowd.com again. This time we'll be seeing the act of writing a review on G2Crowd.com. If you haven't checked out my previous video, please be sure to look at that so you can see what G2Crowd.com is all about. So I won't be reiterating everything in this video. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm logged into my account and I'm going to go to Profile Details. And on the left hand side, I'm going to click on My Rewards, and it shows me all of the applications that I can get paid for reviewing. It shows that I have created a review for WordPress.org, Adobe Illustrator, they're waiting for my review, Adobe Dreamweaver, the same thing, Swagbucks, I've already been paid for that review. TestFlight, I've been paid for that one. GarageBand, they're waiting for my review. Pro Tools, I've been paid. Periscope Data, they're waiting for my review. What I'm going to do is do a review for, let's do Adobe Illustrator. Right. So as I stated before, it shows you on the right hand side your current review grade. It shows you the different sections, how many points you have in each section, and it's going to show you your grade here. And if your grade is an A or a B, maybe even a C, but you really want to get it to like an A or a B, then you will be able to get paid. As you can see right here, it says you're almost there. Complete your review to claim your reward, and it's showing that I will get an Amazon.com gift card. So I've already clicked 10, very likely that I will recommend it to a friend or colleague, which is why it's showing 1 out of 9 for the required questions. So you need to describe your experience in a short sentence to create a title for your review. I'm going to say the title of mine is Too Many Features to Know Them All. What do I like best about it? All of the features the app has to offer. Also, the many tutorials available. Oops, I cannot type. Available to, why do I keep doing that? Learn how to use all of the features and tools. Let's see. The app itself even gives you a tour. I won't say app, the application itself even gives you a tour of the program to familiarize you with it. What do you dislike? And as you can see, it says 40 characters minimum. It's showing that I have used at least 40 characters. I have 0 characters remaining in order for this 40 character minimum to be fulfilled. So what do I dislike about Illustrator? It can be a bit of a learning curve since there are so many features. You will most likely never learn how to use everything. Well, I won't say. You will most likely, it will most likely take a long time to learn how to use everything. Therefore, there are probably techniques, I don't want to say techniques, or can't think of what else I'm trying to say. Therefore, there are probably techniques that would be useful that aren't being used because you don't know how to use them yet. What am I trying to say? It can be a bit of a learning curve since there are so many features. It will most likely take a long time to learn how to use everything. Therefore, there are probably techniques that will be useful that aren't being used because you don't know how to use them yet. Also, the program can be a bit pricey. Let's see. What business problems are you solving with Adobe Illustrator? What benefits have you realized? I'm going to come back to that one. What is your primary role? As you can see, I have done 4 out of 9 so far. What is your primary role when using this product? User, administrator, executive sponsor, internal consultant, consultant agency, industry analyst, tech writer. What is your relationship with this vendor? Customer. I'm not a business partner. Using it at Live Touch. Are you a current user of Adobe Illustrator? Yes. Confirm yourself as a user by uploading a screenshot showing you logged in to this product. The screenshot will not be shown to other users and will be reviewed only by the G2 team. I'm going to say no because I'm not at work right now to be able to do all of that. Let's see. I certify based upon my own experience. Going to additional questions here. As you can see, showing 8 out of 9 thus far. Meets requirements. Everything that I need. Ease of use. I'm going to say it's a 5. Well, I'll say it's 6. Quality of support. I'll say 6. What is your level of experience with this product? Trial evaluation only, still implementing, failed to go live, less than 1 year, 1 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years, greater than 5 years, and multiple implementations. Okay, so I have been using Adobe Illustrator. Let's see, greater than 5 years. Did your company switch to Adobe Illustrator from another software? I don't know. Is Adobe Illustrator headed in the right direction? I'm going to say it is. Recommendation to others considering Adobe Illustrator. It is great for graphic designers as it gives you a ton of freedom in creating graphics such as vectors. The application is pretty intuitive once you figure out the layout of everything. It also has tons of shortcuts, which allows greater productivity. It's expensive. And let's go to features. Which features of Adobe Illustrator do you find most useful? Multiple artboards, graphic design, layer management, PDF support, image trace, definitely, free transform, stroke styles, expand stroke, swatch library, convert to outline, oh my gosh, yes, text wrapping, definitely, rulers, yeah, mask, transformation, type on a path, definitely. Which features need improvement? Let's see. Intimidating to start, definitely. Small scale accuracy, type on a path. It could use a little bit of work, I think. Pixel snapping, corner editability, CAD support, GIF creation, color book, vector brushes, web mode, color palette, decluttered workspace, modern UI, edit gradient tool, speed of work with complex graphic. Yeah. 3D graphics, blending tools, image trace, clear layer directory. Okay, 18 out of 19, 8 out of 9 because we skipped that one. Words 143. I don't understand why it's not showing my grade. It's supposed to be showing it right there. Maybe, what am I doing differently? I'm not sure. Okay. What business problems are you solving with Adobe Illustrator? With its many, I just had to fill in everything. With its many shortcuts, it increases productivity. It's, whoops, what am I doing? Its many features give me tons of options and allows me to be as creative as I would like to be. So creativity, productivity. Lastly, the program outputs a high quality of work. So it's increasing productivity, creativity, and quality. And let's see, looks like I can use some more words to get my grade up even further, but right now I have an A minus. Improve your grade, validate that you are a current user of this product. If I put that on there, it probably will jump up to an A, but I'm not going to do that this time. Okay, so let's see. I did want to add something based upon something I saw here. What was it? Okay, intimidating to start. That goes in part of my dislike. And overwhelming if you haven't used other Adobe programs. Okay, and then it's great for graphic designers as it gives you a ton of freedom in creating graphics such as vectors. The application is pretty intuitive once you figure out the layout of everything. If you have never used an application similar to this, similar to Illustrator, it can be a bit overwhelming at first, but there are a lot of tutorials available for nearly anything you can think of online. Okay, hold on. But there are a ton of online tutorials available for nearly anything you can imagine you want to create. It also has tons of shortcuts, which allows greater productivity. Okay. Now, I've added more words. Now I have 226 words. Now my grade is up to an A. And I want to go ahead and submit the review. They can go ahead and show my name and picture to the G2 crowd community. That's fine with me. And if you click next, it will just take you through the different tabs, just like I went through the different tabs by clicking on them, but you could have just done that. Submit review. And then you can post to LinkedIn if you would like to. I don't want to. It says your review has been successfully submitted and is in queue for evaluation by our moderation team. Once approved, your review will be publicly viewable on G2 Crowd. Watch your inbox for any further communication from our team regarding your review. Thanks for your contribution. You can share with your networks. We'll check your review and be in touch and in touch about next steps within the next business day. You will be contacted via email within 48 hours regarding your reward. Also, you can track your rewards on your profile page, which we just saw. All right. So this is the process for creating a review on G2 Crowd. I just wanted you guys to see how it looks when you actually start filling in everything for the review, how you can see the grade improving and the amount of sections being completed increasing. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Once again, this is Ashley with Dollars and Cents Online, and I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, let's try something different.